our lifespan, to increase our lifespan and so things. So this cardiovascular strengthening is very, very important. It is the basic for all fitness programs. So I request every participants to sit on the floor or in the chair very comfortably, and your spine should be very straight. Sit on the floor. That will be very better posture for this exercises. You can sit on the floor along with the mat. Don't sit on the floor plainly. Put a yoga mat or a blanket, anything which is available at your home. You can use that. Sit on the floor comfortably, and your spine should be straight. And your spine, upper body, your spine should be in straight position. Comfortable posture. Hold your legs. No long sitting posture. Hold your legs and sit comfortably. Okay, thank you. First of all, the breathing technique. As if you all know what is breathing and how to breathe and how long we have to breathe. That is the regular routine. But actually speaking, the breathing techniques which we are following is very wrong. It's not like you can take a normal sit like this with the help of your right hand. When you raise your hand, inhale, and when you put your hand down, exhale. Do it for 5 times. Slowly do it along with me. Come on, do it. Ready? Raise your hand, inhale. And when you're coming down, exhale. And in the other hand, left hand, inhale and exhale. Now, again do it. Inhale. Now hold the breath for 5 counts, 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now exhale. And for the other hand, inhale. Do it for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now exhale. Now you can feel that how your breathing is. The technique is what? When you breathe in, inhale, your tummy should bulge. You can check with yourself whether your belly is coming out when you inhale. Your belly is going down when you exhale. That is very, very important. When you inhale, normally when we inhale, our tummy will go in naturally. That's all the pattern we are following these days. Now the technique is when you inhale, your belly should come out. It should get bulged. Can place all to your hands. Place your hands in your tummy. Place both your hands in your tummy. Now inhale. When you inhale, first of all you exhale completely. You exhale completely and keep your hands here. And when you inhale, your belly should bulge, come outside. You push wantedly, you have to push your thing so that day by day you will get practiced for that. Okay, do it along with me. Inhale, now exhale. Exhale. Can you feel the difference? Can you feel the difference? Of course, you can feel the difference. Now, again, only for 2 seconds you are taking inhale and exhale. You practice in this method. When you inhale, your tummy should come out. When you exhale, your tummy should go in. That is the regular breathing method to increase our cardiorespiratory system. And we can expand our lifespan also. And we go for the breathing exercises now. That this one is the first exercise. You can do it anywhere, anytime, any place also. Even in a working place, if you feel so tensed, then you can go for this breathing exercise with holding pose. The holding is very important. If you hold the breath, it will increase your lifespan. It will release your tension, stress, everything. So please keep following this. You can do it anywhere, anytime, any place, so and so things. Then next exercise, just interlock your fingers. Just interlock your fingers. Just interlock your finger and keep it back on your head. Keep it back on your head. Stretch back fully. Stretch back. Stretch your arms. Stretch fully. Stretch fully. Now exhale. Completely exhale. Now inhale and close the elbow and touch the elbow in front of your teeth. I mean your mouth. Then slowly exhale. Again, do it again. Inhale. Exhale. Now hold here for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch. You have to stretch your shoulders so that your arms will be pushed back. Again, do it. Inhale. If you can touch your elbows, both your elbows. Just hold the posture for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and exhale. The breathing exercise will be successful when you hold the breath. That is very, very important. Doing the posture is not important. If you hold the posture, you will get better result. That is very important. So try to do it again. You can do it 5 to 10 times per day. Morning and evening, anytime you can repeat the thing for 10 times. Again, do it. One last time. Again. Inhale. Hold it. 5 seconds. Exhale. Okay. Thank you. These are all simple breathing exercises. We can do it anywhere. Then next exercise is just raise your right hand. Just raise your right hand and bend towards one side, your left side, and inhale. Then while coming back, exhale. To the opposite side. Inhale. Hold and exhale. Again for the right hand. Inhale. While inhaling, try to inhale. Check whether your belly is coming out. The new techniques. Try to follow that. It is not that easy, but try to follow it. That's it. Inhale. Hold the posture for 5 seconds. Exhale. Okay. Again, left hand. As much as you can possible, you can bend your body, your torso. Hold the posture and come back to the normal pose. Okay. This exercise you can do it 5 to 10 times per day. Morning or evening, anytime. You can do it for 5 to 10 times. Okay. The another 2 exercises which I am going to teach now is very, very important. 2 exercises which you can use it for your cooling down period. Especially for sports activities, we'll be having a warm down. Warm up is important as such. Warm down is also equally important. So you have to do these 2 exercises in your warm down. As if we are going for breathing techniques today, I'll teach this today. From tomorrow onwards, we'll follow these 2 exercises for a cool down period. Okay? Sit erect. Sit erect. Your upper body should be erect. If you have, you can place your fingers like this. Hold your 2 fingers like this and you can keep it in your knee. Place it on your lap also, whatever. If you don't feel comfortable with this, just like that, place your hands like this, whichever comfortable posture. It's according to you. Okay? Okay. This exercise is we are going to do with the mouth, especially tongue. This exercise is called Sheetalini breathing exercise. Sit straight. Just see me and follow. Fold your tongue. You have to fold the tongue and you have to inhale the air completely and you just close the mouth. Take your tongue inside and close your mouth and you have to swallow the air completely so that it will go to all parts of our body. After that, you have to exhale with our nose. That is the technique. Just observe me. Hold it. Exhale. That's it. Just do it along with me. Sit straight. Hold your tongue. And inhale. Suck the air inside. How much possible you can suck the air inside. With the sound you can do it. Close your mouth. Swallow that air so that it will circulate in all our respiratory system everywhere. To the lungs especially. Now exhale through your nose. Again do it. Close your mouth and slowly exhale from your nose. When you're doing these exercises, you can close your eyes as if it is a training program. Now you can get trained. After that, when you're going to follow it daily, you can close your eyes for better results. Okay? Some of you didn't unmute your video. I can't able to see it all. This is it's a basic exercises only. You can unmute your videos so that if you do wrong, I can correct you. Okay. Okay. The next exercise is we are using teeth for this exercises. You have to bite your teeth completely. Sit straight, the same posture. Bite your teeth, and now you have to suck the air, swallow the air like this. You can feel the chillness inside. Now exhale with your nose. Exhale with your nose. Again do it. Exhale with your nose. Again do it. And exhale with your nose. This two exercise, breathing exercises is especially for warm down, cooling down our body. So we can, from tomorrow onwards, we can use these two exercise, breathing exercise for our cooling down, I mean for the warm down period. So now you can make yourself comfortable and stand in a comfortable posture. You're going to see two breathing exercises in the standing posture. Hello. Hello. comfortably. Hope you all can hear me. Stand comfortably. Stand comfortably. Just keep your hands tight to your body and stretch fully and bring your hands upwards and join your hands like this so that your chest and your spine, everything will be stretched. And when you're going to stretch like this, you just inhale it, just inhale, and while you're coming back, you exhale. When you're going up, raising your hands, just inhale, and when you're coming down, just exhale. Okay, we can slowly inhale. Hold the posture for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale. Again, do it. Inhale. Hold the posture for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now exhale slowly. Okay, this is the spine breathing exercise. Spine breathing exercise. The next one is we are going to do with squat position. Slightly we are going to squat. In the sitting position, we are going to do it. Just little, keep your foot little wider, 1 feet apart. In your shoulder width, you can keep your foot. Okay. Slowly observe me and do it. Now you have to sit like this. When you're going up, when you're rising your hands up, just inhale. When you're coming down to the sitting squat posture, you just exhale. Ready? We can do it along with me. Inhale. Now exhale. Again. Inhale. Slowly. And hold the posture for 5 seconds. Hold your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now exhale. Again, one more time. Inhale. Hold it for 5 seconds. And exhale. Okay. This is the second standing exercise. This is squat breathing. Squat. As if we are squatting our body, this is squat exercise. And third thing is wide stand. You can stand as much as you can. You widen your legs. Widen your legs. Okay. Now we have to, the posture should be like you are taking the water from the river and pouring on you. That posture should be like that. Like this. Like this. Just pour the water, take the water from the river and pour it on you. This is the posture. While you are doing this action, you have to inhale from down. Inhale. When you go up, just hold the posture for 5 seconds and slowly exhale. Inhale. Now exhale. Do it slowly. Do it slowly. Again, do it one more time. Yes. Okay. These are all the breathing techniques. These are all the breathing techniques which we are going to use it daily. And if you use it daily, continuously, if it has continuity, and you will be in a better result side. So my kind and humble request to follow it daily, at least minimum once in a day, whether in the morning or in the morning is better time to do the breathing exercises. If you can't able to do with your you'll be engaged in the household things and all, so that you can at any time you can follow this. Make sure you are in a comfortable ventilation place. That's it. Okay, now we can go for the facial exercise.
Excuse me, ma'am.
I request all the participants. Ma'am, sir.
Time is going to end, ma'am. Shall we start next session, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Dear
I
participants,
request all the participants. Sir, solunga.
just proceed, ma'am. You proceed.
Yes, okay. So we'll start with the facial yoga. The terms may be new to you, but the same old exercise we are going to start. But we won't use all these things in the regular routine and all. We just ignore our face. Actually, the face is the index of mind. Everyone should know this proverb. So if the face is very bright and young, and we'll be getting so much of confidence to do all the works.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Sir?
Yes,
Sir?
we will close it, ma'am. We will again join the same link, ma'am. Participants are
I request
requested.
to, very important. Now, squint your eye and see the roof. Don't lift your head, just place it like this and see, squint your eyes and try to see the ceiling. Try to see the ceiling and down the floor like this. Just move your eyeballs to see your roof and to the floor. Now see upwards. Don't press it. Don't press too hard, because you all know the eye muscles are very sensitive. So just place your fingers. That will do. Don't give much pressure, then it will get hurted for you. So just like that you place it. Just squint your eye up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Okay, this is. Then with your finger, index finger, place it in center of your eyebrows. Place it center of your eyebrows. Just press and relax. Press and relax. Press and relax. Now press it and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and relax. Again do it. Press. Hold it for 5 seconds and relax. And again do it and relax. Now press your finger again. Do a circular movement, any of your side. Do a circular movement for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and relax. Again you can do it. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again you can relax. Again now do it in the opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and relax. Again do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and relax. Okay. Place your index finger, fold the index finger like this. Place it near your nose. Place it near your nose and rub gently. Rub your cheeks gently and touch your temporal bone. Rub gently and touch your temporal bone. Again, do it. It will take only 10 to 15 minutes for all the exercises, whether it is in the morning or in the workplace or in the evening. Anytime you can do this. Gently rub. Don't give much pressure. These skins are very sensitive, as you all know. So rub it very gently. Very gently. Just do it like this. Good. Thank you all. Everyone is performing. Thank you. Yes. Okay. With the help of these two fingers, your thumb finger and your index finger, just pinch your eyebrows. Just pinch your eyebrows. See to that you doesn't have long nails. It will get hurt for you. Just pinch it, your eyebrows, and gradually come to your nose and again to the chin like this. Pinch gently. Don't give much pressure. Just pinch it. Just pinch it. Slight pinch. Yes. And the jawline. Here you'll be having the jawline, not the chin. Below that jawline, you just pinch here. Just pinch here. Yes. Yes. Just slight pinch only. Now don't do like this. Don't stretch your muscles and all. Just pinch it gradually. Yes. Like this. Okay. Place your index finger here in your chin. In your chin. Just stretch your neck and see the roof. So that your neck muscles will completely stretched. Just do it. Now tap the finger. Now tap the finger and come down to the normal posture. Again, you can press and look up your roof and tap it. Tap your finger and come to the normal pose. And now press it and see the floor. Just press it and see the floor. Now tap it and come to the normal posture. Now again press it and see the floor. Now tap it and come to the floor. You can use two fingers also. If you feel comfortable, you can use two fingers, your middle finger and your index finger. You can use it. Okay. Now keep your mouth like this, toothless smile. Your tooth should not be seen outside. Like this. Okay. Now just follow me. Your tooth should not be seen outside. Toothless smile. Okay. Just blow it as if you are blowing a paper on the table. You just blow it completely. And while inhaling, your tooth should not be seen like this. Do 10 to 15 times. You can repeat this. We'll go for the next thing. Just blow one side. Your right side cheeks, blow it. And make a sound and exhale it. Like this. Sudden blow. The blow should be sudden. It might seem funny, but if you keep practicing, your face muscles will be hale and healthy. So you can follow this. Okay, now do it both the sides. Okay, that's it. Okay. Now we have 3 points in our ears. The below, the bottom side and the side here and the top of the ears. Just pinch and pull it. Just pinch and pull it. Just pinch and pull it. That's it. 3 sides. Bottom of your ears and your sidewards and upward. Just bottom here your side and upwards. Just pinch and pull it. That's it. Just pinch and pull it. Now side and here. Yes. 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 You can feel the heat here. You can feel the heat. Hope you can hear me. You can feel the heat here. That is the heat energy. The blood circulation which is following on your ears. So just do it for 10 to 15 times regularly. Okay. Just the last exercise. Just with the help of 2 fingers. Just tap it. Tap it. You have pinched the last exercise. You have pinched. Now tap it. Tap it like this. Tap it like this. All parts of the face. You can tap it like this. Above your upper lips, full parts. You can tap it. Yes. Yes. Fully. Full parts of the face, you just with the help of your 2 fingers, you just tap it like this. Yes, that's it. That's all the face exercises. But if you feel good, you have to practice it regularly. Minimum for 1 or 2 times you can practice it. Anywhere you can follow this in your workplace or at home. Whether in the morning or in the evening, anytime, your feasible time and comfortable place. See to that you are sitting in a comfortable ventilated place. That is very, very important for the air circulation. So that it will cleanse all your body muscles and your respiratory system and so on, all the things. Okay. Now we go for the basic aerobics exercises. Exercise means it's a warming up sessions like. With the use of these exercises, you can go with the aerobics or Zumba dance, anything else. The basic steps we are going to see now. Just stand on your posture. Stand in a comfortable posture. Can you hear me? Sir? Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can.
Yes, yes. It is connected to anyway. Okay, stand in a comfortable posture. Just do it as small march. Just do it. March. While marching, your hand should touch the toes. Ears. Your hand should touch your ears like this. In gentle way, you can march. Your foot should be very close, not wider. Your foot should be very close like this. And use the hand. Raise your hands like steps along with the steps. Just raise your hands. If you want, you can clap here. If you want, you can clap here. Hope you all can see me. Sorry with the shutdown. Sorry. place it down. Just place it down. Yeah. Good. And use your hands also. The hands should be go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Likewise. Hope you all can see me. Ready now? Sir, can you see me?
Yes, we can.
Yes. Very sorry for the inconvenience. As if it's
Yes,
raining,
clear,
and I'm here.
It's clear.
Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now, sideways. Just place your leg like this. One small step. Small step. Now, you can join your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yes. Yes, that's it. Only we are doing it for 10 times. You can follow that. Again, we can do the same exercise. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Good. Thank you. Okay, just give us slight march. Don't get to the rest position. Don't go for the rest. Okay. Just touch your feet. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. Good. That's it. And now with your knees. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's it. We can do these two exercises again. Ready? Do it with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good after one. Again now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, good one. Okay. Now see my steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, all get this? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. You can just place your hands also. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Just clap it one side. To entertain it. It's a recreation thing. That's it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Just now see my body posture. Just march it. Again, go for the marching position. Don't go for rest. This exercise should be doing very continuously. It's a cardiovascular strength thing. So, won't give rest in between. Just march it and do like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and 2. The touching place should be the same. Only jump and extend your legs. 1 and 2. 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 2. 1 and 2. That's it. Good one. Right, again, march. Don't give rest in between. Just march. Okay. The 4 exercise 4 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Quick. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And doing the 4 counts. Two jumping jumps. Just follow me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Can you do it now? You can do it now. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2. That's all. Another exercise. It's the same thing. Along with the 4th step, just do boxing action. Just do boxing action. Just not follow me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2. Hope you can follow me. Yes. The next exercise is the same 4 counts. When you are doing 1, 2, when you are saying 2, you have to squat yourself. And while coming back to the normal position, just follow me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hope you can follow me. Yes. Okay. Another exercise. You have to push your hands. You have to push your hands like this. The same posture we have to do. Or sideways. You have to push the wall or anything beside you. Just push it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's it. Each side 10 times. Each side 10 times. That's it. Okay, the final exercise we are going to do with the squat. While squatting yourself, you just bend a little. Don't squat your body just like that straight. Your back will get strained. You will be getting pain in your lower back. Just do it slightly bend like this. Slightly bend like this. And now do it for 10 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, that's it. Good one. Again, to this side, you can do it again. Bend little forward. Bend little forward. Don't do like this. Your lower back will get strained. So bend little forward. And now do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's all. That's all now. Just march once again. March. March. Don't take rest in between. That's all. The basic exercises got over. Just complete with a slow march. Your heartbeat will be raised when you do this exercise. Hope you all can see me.
Madam, excuse me, madam.
Sir.
Our 10 minutes முடிச்சுக்கலாமா மேடம் இந்த செஷனோட?
முடிச்சுக்கலாம் சார். ஆல்மோஸ்ட் முடிஞ்சிருச்சு. Thank you.
ஓகே ஓகே. அந்த செஷன் முடியும்போது சொல்றேன். 8 minutes இருக்கு. பாத்து.
Yes sir. Okay sir. Okay participants, that's all for today now. Along with this, we can go for Surya Namaskar. As if we are running short of time, I'm just conveying it. Along with this, daily in the schedule, we can include the Surya Namaskar. As if you are all in physical education field, you might know. So do it, the step for both the sides, right side and left side. That is one side of Surya Namaskar. You can follow it for 3 repetitions or 5 repetitions. Only Surya Namaskar alone can make you fit, that you all know. Even though you add these things along with your regular schedule, so that you will be getting the variations of fitness program. That's it. So the final stage is Savasanam. You all know what is Savasanam, the dead man's pose, which you're going to relax your body completely. From your head to toe, your body will get relaxed. That's it. So if you have a mat or blanket, just lie down in the supine position. Supine position means up you are seeing on the floor. I mean seeing your sun. Just remind the sun. You're seeing the sun. That is supine position. Lying on your back is supine position, and lying on your chest is prone position. That is the posture, 2 posture for lying down. So lie down on a mat or blanket in supine position. On your back, just lie down. Just lie down. This Savasanam should be performed for 29 minutes actually. As if we are running short of time, you can follow this. After this meeting completed also, you can follow that Savasanam for 29 minutes for complete relaxation from head to toe. While lying down, your chin should face down. Chin should touch the floor. Your palms facing upwards, away from the body, 1 meter away from the body. And your toes should be facing outwards. Your toes should be facing outwards in the relaxed pose. You have to lie down in the relaxed pose. Literally a dead man's pose. Dead man's, how the dead man will be lying down. In such a manner, you have to place your body. And go for normal breathe in, breathe out. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Just relax, close your eyes. If anybody is wearing your specs, you can remove that. Cap or specs, anything. If you are wearing it, just remove that. Beside you. And just close your eyes. And relax yourself for 29 minutes. That is not exact time. For all, the suggested time is 29. If you want, you can do it more than also. But not below that time, 29 minutes. So the relaxation, I will send a link in the WhatsApp group, how to relax your body. You can just play that video, I mean it's an audio thing, YouTube link, and you can hear that it's a relaxation mantra. You can use that and observe it in your mind and relax yourself. So that the exact posture is lying down and hear that mantra and relax yourself for 29 minutes. Okay, that's the thing. You can follow this after this meeting also. The one thing I have to remind you is while getting up from the Savasanam pose, just turn to your right side or left side. Just completely turn your body right side or left side. You should not just get up like this, wake up like this, then you will be getting the migraine headache and so on sort of things. So just when you are lying down in the supine position, like this supine position, just turn your body to either right side or right or left side, any side. Just turn it completely. Fold your knees and slowly get up. Slowly get up. After you're getting up, don't open the eyes until I say. Just close your eyes and rub your palm nicely to produce heat energy. Just rub it completely and produce the heat and place your palm in your eyes and place your palm in your eyes and your cheeks and to your neck and just completely do it. Don't open your eyes while getting up and again press it, rub it, place it on your eyes and just keep like this in front of, keep your hands in front of your face and open your eyes in your palm. That's it. That's it for now. This is the procedure for Savasana. You can follow this. I'll send the mantra. Whenever you do physical exercises, just complete your exercise with Savasana along with that mantra. If so, if you doesn't have anything to hear that, you just lie down and relax yourself and tell yourself that you are from your head to toes getting relaxed and come to the normal state. And you go for the regular activities. That's it. Thank you, participants. Tomorrow we are going to see the basic exercises, the mobility activity, activation exercise, mobility exercise, as well as the strengthen exercise. Tomorrow we are going to see it. Please be in time. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you,
Have a
ma'am.
pleasant evening.
Thank you very
Thank
much
you.
for the active demonstration. Just made all the participants to very active, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Dear participants, we will meet tomorrow at the same time, 5 o'clock sharply. We will provide the Zoom link in WhatsApp group. By using this Zoom link, you can join. Tomorrow there will be a recurring meeting, so by using the same link, you can join. Thank you, participants. Thank you, Ananta.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you.